bilateral relationship between China and Pakistan, plus the business side, perception that really enlightened me, and I wish that I could learn more from you in the future, and also wish that this PCBF, which you are heading, or which is under your chair, you are in the chair, we could further engage with each other.
Yes.
And if there's anything coming up during your reaching out to China, to Chinese counterparts, you may feel free to be in touch with consulate here, in Lahore.
So kind.
And I wish that you're not only the friend of China, from military side, from Senate side, also from the business side. And inshallah, wish everything to be working fine with you, with your institution, and our relationship, our collaboration, especially the practical cooperation, would yield more positive results, would bring more tangible benefits to our people. No matter the government comes and goes, as you said, and I have no objection. Diplomats comes and go, right? But the nation, the country, the people always stay. So our purpose of being invited guests or foreign service officers in hosting country like our brotherly Pakistan is not only to serve the interests of the Chinese personnel, Chinese projects, Chinese institutions, but also another purpose or the principal mission for us is to collaborate, to facilitate, to promote trade, investment, including aid.